Hello, I'm Kevin from Chauvin Arnoux, and in this video I'm going to take you through the PEL51 single-phase power and energy logger. The PEL51 is a single-phase power and energy logger, so that makes it perfect for logging single-phase circuits, single-phase equipment and single-phase installations, such as those you'll find in domestic properties, light commercial or light industrial installations. So what's included with the PEL51? Well, in the kit you get the carry case, you get 2 crocodile clips and the 4mm test leads to connect the PEL51 to the supply that you're measuring. We get the MA194 current transformer. This will measure all the way from 100 milliamps all the way up to 10,000 amps. So you're well covered for all of the current ranges that you're likely to come across. However, if you do need any other types of CT, they are available as optional extras. To connect the PEL up, to power it, we can either use, as we said, the crocodile clips, and they connect into the top of the PEL, or we can use this rather clever adapter which allows us to use a figure of 8 mains lead and a 3-pin plug, and this simply fits into the top of the PEL and adapts it for use with the mains lead. The PEL will log voltage up to 600 volts, it'll log current, and there's a range of current transformers, CTs, available, of which the MA194 is included in the kit. It'll also log power, energy and power factor. The PEL51 comes with an SD card, so all of the data is logged onto the SD card. It's also got a Wi-Fi interface which allows you to connect to the computer or a mobile device. We have free PEL transfer software for setting up and logging and analysing the data. We also have a web interface that you can access from any device via a browser. So what applications can we use the PEL51 for? Now, I mentioned before it's a single-phase power and energy logger. So it's great for doing maximum demand or load surveys on single-phase installations. It's also good if you're looking to make energy savings. So if you're trying to improve any energy efficiency within your business, using the PEL51 to do a survey and identify and prioritise those energy savings is a great place to start. We can also look at power factor, so if we're looking for power factor correction. We can also do pre-surveys for things like EV and PV installations to make sure that we don't come up with any problems when we've done the installation. For example, over voltage causing the inverter to switch off. So you can see that the PEL51 is a really useful tool for the single-phase electrician or people who are working in those environments.